Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me a product, and this is a paid review. Let's get to it, right? So this is a anti-bark collar for dogs. I happen to have two dogs. One is a barker. We will be trying this out on Riley, my Riley the Wonder Dog. So let's open up the box. All right, so if you've been watching my videos, you know I love instructions, and I've read them, and they're very good. So you have a wristband which is very nice. This is not just an anti-barking collar. You could use this for walking a dog without a leash. You can actually just give them a correction on the go from this collar, from this remote control. So in here you have different points that I have put the small points on here already, but here's some larger points if you have a real thick coated dog to shock them with. And here is the collar itself. Goes around your dog's neck like this. No, I'm not putting it around my neck. Anyway, and then you just turn it on, hold it and press for a few minutes, and you'll get a beep and you'll get that green light. And as long as there's batteries, you'll get a green flashing light about every 10 seconds. I really like this one. It is probably the most humane one I've ever seen. They're not metal spikes, which is awesome. They're rounded plastic spikes, which is probably way more comfortable for a dog's neck. All the ones that we have used previously with our dogs and the ones that we're currently used have metal spikes, this is very nice. I'll have to give a thumbs up to this one. Nice, rounded, comfortable spikes. So anyway, so you turn this one on, and then on the remote control, there is a side control that you just press and hold until the screen comes on, and it'll automatically grab a hold of the collar that you're controlling. All right, and then if you wanted to, so I'm going to hold this one over here. If this was on a dog and you wanted to just control him with a beep, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it. I'll hold it close. Beyond the beeping stage, you can vibrate. So you can probably hear that. And then beyond that, if you have a very stubborn dog, which Riley was when we first got him, you can this will show you. This will illuminate the shock. So there's a little light bulb right in there, and so if I shove this in there, you can see that it's lighting the light bulb.
Says I don't think I like that one.
So I can already tell that he knows what this is. Oh, why so quiet all of a sudden? Why so quiet all of a sudden? Huh? And I have this too, rather. Do you know what that is? You do know what that is, don't you? Uh-huh. So you Mr. Quiet Face now? Go get it.
Oh.